Hello, it's Cassie here with Trinity Stamps, and I'm excited to be sharing a product release video for the Sweet Shop release. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Here Spore You stamps and coordinating dies. Here Spore You is a hand-illustrated 3x4 stamp set featuring two adorable mushrooms that are all sorts of punny with the three coordinating sentiments. The coordinating die set is available separately, and it cuts out each of our pieces along with all of our sentiments, and I absolutely love when Trinity Stamps does that. So now let's go ahead and take a closer look at a card that I made for you using this Here Spore You stamp set. So much fun, and I just think the possibilities are just out there. Now let's take a look at what the design team has done for you. Our design team has had a lot of fun with this set, and hopefully it sparks some ideas for you as well. Be sure to check out all that Trinity Stamps has going on over on their blog, Facebook page, and Instagram for more crafty inspiration. Thanks for spending time with me today, and I hope you have a great day.